Hi everybody. In this InstantStretch tutorial we're going to be having a look at the Add Client option, and this is essentially your client database. So this is where you'll store all your client information. You'll need to set up a client, or you'll need to add a client first before you can actually create a routine. So this is obviously after the setup is done. This is sort of the next step. So in this tutorial we're going to go through how to do that, some of the features and so forth. So to access this area, simply click on this button here and you'll be taken to a screen where you can add your client details. Now you'll see down the bottom here, this is your client list. I've already added a couple of clients here. So it's fairly simple to do. You just come along here, put in the name of your client. You can add any additional information or comments about that particular client. So maybe that client has an injury and you want them to take some certain precautions while doing the stretches. You could add that sort of information here and that will appear on the printout. So the age of the client, you can obviously put in the age. You don't have to put in their age. Same with just about all of these fields here. Choose a gender for them. Again, with height and weight, it's entirely up to you whether you include this information or not. I've set it up so that you can use either feet and inches or centimeters or meters, depending on what you're used to using. So if you're used to using meters, you might want to put 1.69 meters. And then weight, you might want to put 68 kilograms. If you're still using feet and inches, then is that right? Is it that way, like that? I'm not sure. Or is it the other way? This way, for feet and inches. Anyway, if you use feet and inches, you'll know exactly what it is. And same again here. You can put pounds in here if you want to put pounds. That'll be yes. So yeah, that way you can choose whatever whatever units you normally choose. So when you've filled in all the information, just go ahead and click Create Client, and then you'll see it's been added. That client's been added down to your client list here. So at any time you can go back into your client list to update things. If Mary Jones has had a birthday, you can go and change her details there, hit update client, and that will be stored in your client database. You also have the option of deleting a client. So if you're not working with that client anymore and you don't want to keep them in the software, you can just go ahead and hit delete, and that will remove them from the software. You can see they've been removed there. So that's fairly straightforward, fairly easy. This is where you'll store all your client information, and that's about it for this tutorial. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk with you again soon. Bye for now.